वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा।
सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः।
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaskara. A very happy new year to you all. I am Samyukta Jujare. I am very happy and excited to present our first dance showcase, Aikartya, to you all. I started teaching dance when I moved to US in 2018. And it has been an amazing journey with a lots of ups and downs, changes and challenges along the way. What started as an in-person class faced a lot of disruptions in the form of pandemic, me moving back to India and switching to virtual class. It was very challenging both for me and the kids. It took a lot for us to adapt to these changes and finally be at a place to do what we do best and bring Aikartya to you. Aikartya symbolizes unity and oneness, a coming together of diverse minds and generations, united by the power of art. Together, let us embark on a journey into the magic of rhythm and movement, celebrating the beauty of art that transcends boundaries. Thank you for being a part of this extraordinary occasion. In our Indian culture, we believe in starting any auspicious event with offering our prayers to our dearest God, Lord Ganesha. This piece has a lot of scope for Nritta, and I wanted to challenge our kids and see how well can they execute it. Every choreography has been a different experience for me, and in this piece I've tried to focus on visual impact the choreography can leave on the audience. Presenting Ananda Nartana, composed by Ottukadu Venkata Subbayar in Nataraga Aditala. Students performing are Aditi, Diya, Nidhi, Sanjoli, Shreya, Tanvi, Little Tanvi, Teju and Vaishu from all the way Orlando, Florida.
Ananda Nartana is one of the newest pieces we've learned.
It's one of the hardest pieces we've done yet.
And it took us a whole entire 6 months to learn.
We hope you enjoy this dance piece as much as we did. Thank you.
गणपतिं भावये आनन्दनर्तन गणपतिं भावये सदानन्दनर्तन गणपतिं भावये परमानन्दनर्तन गणपतिं भावये चिदाकारमूलाधार ओंकार गजवदनं परमं परमानन्दनर्तन गणपतिं भावये चिदाकारमूलाधार ओंकार गजवदनं परमं परमानन्दनर्तन गणपतिं भावये चिदाकारमूलाधार ಧನ ಧನು ತಕಿಟ ತನಂಗ ಪಮಗ ಪರಿ ಸ ಸರಿ ಸ ಪ್ರತಿ ಧನ ಧನು ತಕಿಟ ತನಂಗ ಪಮಗ ಪರಿ ಸ ಸರಿ ತ ತಕ ಧನ ಧನು ತಕಿಟ ತನಂಗ ತಕ ದೀನ 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 ತೈ ಕಿಟ 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 ಕಿಲಿ ಪದನುತಂ ಪದ ಸರಿಸಿಜಂ ಮಗ ಪಮನಿ ಪ ಮದ ಕದನಿ ಪಂ ಮದ ಕರಿ ಮುಗಂ ಪ್ರಣವನಿ ನಗಂ ಅಜಿತಂ ಪದವಂ ಶುಭಗಂ ಪರಮಂ ಪದಗಂ ಪರಧರಣಂ ಏಕರದನು ತಕಧನಂ ತಕತರಿ ತಕಧನಂ ತಕತರಿ ತಕಧನಂ ತಕತರಿ ಗಣಪತಿ ಚಿದಾಕಾರ ಮೂಲ ಓಂಕಾರ ಭಗವತಿ ಪರಮೋ ಪರದನ ಗಣಪತಿ ಚಿದಾಕಾರ ಮೂಲ ಓಂಕಾರ ಗಜವದನ ಪರಮೋ ಪರಮಾನಂದನ ಗಣಪತಿ
Next performance is Tishra Alaripu, presented in a very special and unique way. What if we watch the performance to know what is unique about it rather than me revealing it to you? Tishra Alaripu in Rupakatala.
This kita taka daily, daily, kita taka this kita taka daily, daily, kita taka this daily, that daily, this daily, that daily, this daily. That daily song, this song daily, that daily song, this song day, that day 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 song, this song, kita dapat daily, daily, kita dapat this kita dapat daily, daily, kita dapat this daily, that daily, this daily, that daily, this daily, that daily, this daily, that daily, this day, that day song, 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 Vitamte, Vitam, 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 Vitam, Kita sakatay, sakatay, kita sakatay, Vitam, kita sakatay, sakatay, kita sakatay, Vitam, sakatay, Vitam, Vitam, sakatay, Vitam, sakatay, Vitam, sakatay,
Wasn't it wonderful to watch them focus on Tala and reciting it in front of you all with so much ease and confidence? I wish I could do that same at their age. Tala was recited by Diya, Tanvi, Teju and Vaishu, performed by Aditi, Nidhi, Sanjoli and Shreya. Next, we have a Kirtane by Annamacharya, also popularly known as Annamaya, one of the greatest musicians, composer and a saint, honored as a great devotee of Lord Vishnu. Sriman Narayana in Aditala Bauli Raga.
Shrivananda was a very beautiful dance that we learned. And it was we had to practice a lot for it. It was pretty challenging, but we got used to it with lots of practice.
And there's a lot of beautiful poses, like the Krishna pose.
ശ്രീമന്നാരായണ 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 നീ ശ്രീപാദമേ ശരണു 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 कमलासती मुख कमल कमलहित कमलप्रिया कमलेक्षण कमलासती मुखकमल कमलहित कमलप्रिया कमलेक्षण कमलासनहित कमलासनहित गरुडगमन श्रीकमलनाभ पदकमल में शरणु श्रीमन्नारायण 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 नी श्रीपाद में शरणु श्रीमन्नारायण 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 नी श्रीपाद में शरणु शरणु परमयोगी जन भागदेय श्री परम पुरुष परात्परा परमयोगी जन भागधेय श्री परम पुरुष परात्परा परमात्मा परमात्मा परमानुरूप श्री तिरुवेंकटगिरि देवा शरणु श्रीमन्नारायण 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 नी श्रीपाद में शरणु श्रीमन्नारायण 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 नी श्रीपाद में शरणु श्रीपाद में शरणु श्रीपाद में शरणु
Next, we have a Devarnama composed by our Karnataka Sangeeta Pitamaha Santa Purandara Dasaru. The students performing are Ashwini, Deepthi, Lochna, Saumya and Vibha from Namma Bengaluru. It's been a year since they started learning Bharatanatyam from me, and it's their first performance together with my choreography. Chandrachuda Shivashankara Parvati in Ragamalika Aditala.
Learning this piece of dance from you was joyful. Your encouragement and motivation keeps me going.
So it has been such a wonderful and joyous experience, and to be honest, my heart fills with joy if I have to talk about that. And it was a wonderful experience to meet new people and to learn new things, and the perfection with which he teaches us.
चन्द्रचूड शिवशङ्कर पार्वती रमणा निनगे नमो नमो चन्द्रचूड शिवशङ्कर पार्वती रमणा निनगे नमो नमो सुन्दरतर पिनाक धनहर
ಪೀತಾಂಬರಧರ
ಚಂದ್ರಚೂಡ ಶಿವ ಶಂಕರ ಪಾರ್ವತಿ ರಮಣಾ ನಿನಗೆ ನಮೋ ನಮೋ ಸಸರಿ ರೆ 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 ಪಗ ಮಾರೆ
ಸಸರಿ ರೆ ರೆ ನಿ ನಿ ಪಗ ಮಾರೆ
ಮ ಪದ ದ ದ ಮ ಪದ ದ ನಿ ನಿ
ಸಾ ಸ ಸಾ ಸ ನಿ ನಿ ಸಾ ಸ ಸಾ ಸ
ನಿ ಸರಿ ಗರಿ ಸನಿ ಪ ಮ ಪದ ದ ಪ
ನಿ ಸರಿ ಮಗರಿ ಸನಿ ಮ ಪದ ದ ಪ ಮ ಪದ ದ ಮ ಪ ನಿ ನಿ ಮ ಪ ಸಾ ಸ
ಧರೆಗೆ ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಕಾವೇರಿ ಧರೆಗೆ ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಕಾವೇರಿ ಕುಂಭಪುರ ವಾಸನು ನೀನೇ
ಕರದಳಿ ವೀಣೆಯ ಗಾನವ ಮಾಡುವ ಕರದಳಿ ವೀಣೆಯ ಗಾನವ ಮಾಡುವ ಉರಗಭೂಷಣನು ನೀನೇ
ಕೊರಳೊಳು ಭಸ್ಮ ರುದ್ರಾಕ್ಷಿಯ ಧರಿಸಿದ ಕೊರಳೊಳು ಭಸ್ಮ ರುದ್ರಾಕ್ಷಿಯ ಧರಿಸಿದ ಪರಮ ವೈಷ್ಣವನು ನೀನೇ
ಗರುಡ ಗಮನ ನಮ್ಮ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನ ಗರುಡ ಗಮನ ನಮ್ಮ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನ ಪ್ರಾಣ ಪ್ರಿಯನು ನೀನೇ
ಚಂದ್ರಚೂಡ ಶಿವಶಂಕರ ಪಾರ್ವತಿ ರಮಣಾ ನಿನಗೆ ನಮೋ ನಮೋ ಚಂದ್ರಚೂಡ ಶಿವಶಂಕರ ಪಾರ್ವತಿ ರಮಣಾ ನಿನಗೆ ನಮೋ ನಮೋ ರಮಣಾ ನಿನಗೆ ನಮೋ ನಮೋ
ರಮಣ ನಿನಗೆ
Who wouldn't know the famous Varaha Rupam song from the movie Kantara? This song came to me as a request from the kids' parents, and I'm glad I got to choreograph and work on bringing the Dashavatara concept through this piece.
In the dance Varaha Rupam, I love all the different formations and poses. All the poses are very meaningful and they look really beautiful. I love that there are so many movements in the dance where you go from here, then over there, then over here, and it took us so much time to finally perfect that dance, but we did it.
वराहरूपं देववरीष्टं वरस्मितवदनं वज्रदन्तधर रक्षाकवचम् शिवसम्भूत भुवि सञ्जात नम्बिदवगिम्बु कोडु ಒಲುವವನೀತ ಸಾವಿರ ಮನ ಸಂಪ್ರೀತ ಬೇಡುತ್ತ ನಿಂದೆವು ಆರಾಧಿಸುತ್ತ
Next, we have yet another beautiful Kirtane by Annamacharya. I was very nervous as I started choreographing for this song and wondered if kids will like this piece. I was surprised when I saw the kids execute it so beautifully, which eventually became one of parents' favorite choreography. Okapari Kokapari in Raga Karahara Priya and Aditala.
Okapari is a very happy and peaceful dance and reminds you to express yourself in every way. I love it so much because of all the steps that my teacher choreographed.
It's so peaceful and the positions are very nice.
ఒకపరి కోకపరి ఒయ్యారమై ఒకపరి కోకపరి ఒయ్యారమై మొగమున కళలెల్ల మొలచినట్టుండే ఒకపరి కోకపరి ఒయ్యారమై మొగమున కళలెల్ల మొలచినట్టుండే ఒకపరి ఒయ్యారమై ఒయ్యారమై ఒయ్యారమై
జొన్ను తకిట తక జొన్ను తకిట తదిమిద రే రాకుంద తికిట తక జొన్ను తకిట తక జొన్ను తకిట తదిమిద రే తారకుంద తికిట తక తజం 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 తాద తజం 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 తాద దిత్త తడత్త జొన్నుత్త తదింగిణతం తదింగిణతం తదింగిణతం
జగదేకపతి మేన చల్లిన కర్పూర ధూళి జగదేకపతి మేన చల్లిన కర్పూర ధూళి జిగికొని నలువంక చిందగాను జగదేకపతి మేన చల్లిన కర్పూర ధూళి జిగికొని నలువంక చిందగాను మోగి చంద్రముఖి ఉరమోన నిలిపేగాన మోగి చంద్రముఖి ఉరమోన నిలిపేగాన పొగరు వెన్నెల దిగబోసినట్టుండే పొగరు వెన్నెల దిగబోసినట్టుండే ఒకపరి
ఒక పరి కొయ్యారమై మొగమున కళలెల్ల మొలచినట్టుండే ఒక పరి కొయ్యారమై 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 శ్రీ వెంకటేశు మీనా సింగారముగాను నేరయ శ్రీ వెంకటేశు మీనా సింగారముగాను తరసైన సొమ్ములు ధరించగా నేరయ శ్రీ వెంకటేశు మీనా సింగారముగాను తరసైన సొమ్ములు ధరించగా మెరుగు బోడి పాల మేలు మంగయు తాను మెరుగు బోడి పాల మేలు మంగయు తాను మెరుపు మేఘము కూడి మెరసినట్టుండే మెరుపు మేఘము కూడి మెరసినట్టుండే ఒక పరి కొయ్యారమై మొగమున కళలెల్ల మొలచినట్టుండే ఒక పరి కొయ్యారమై కొయ్యారమై కొయ్యారమై
తదిత్త తడత్త జొణుత్త తదింతరగడదం 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 తదిత్త తడత్త జొణుత్త తదింతరగడదం 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 తదిత్త తడత్త జొణుత్త తదింతరగడదం తదింతరగడదం తదింతరగడదం.
Our final performance for the day is a Tilana filled with vibrance and is a celebration of joy. This is kids' most favorite piece. Even after a long and tiring rehearsals, kids are always on their toes to perform for this song and put in all their energy into it. This is how much they love dancing for this. Presenting Dhanashri Tilana, composed by Swati Tirunal with a fusion twist.
Okay, so Janana Jana is a very fun dance. It was one of our most energetic performances and definitely one of our most favorite ones so far. It took us a long time to learn it. It took us like 4 months to practice.
We practiced a lot, at least for 3 hours a week.
But it was worth it in the end.
Yeah.
That's it. Janana Janana is a very fast-paced dance. It's initially very hard, but as you practice more, you'll get used to it. And it's pretty easy now. It's a really fast song, so when you start learning it, you would think that it's too hard for you. So our teacher made us do the dance so many times that every weekend I could not even walk. But now we got the hang of it. Now we can perform it like that. Amazing.
Janana janana tanana tanana to janana janana tanana tanana to janana janana tanana tanana janana janana tanana tanana to janana janana tanana tanana to janana janana tanana tanana geeta dhumni ko takadhina trikita to naach rahe gori tai 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 tum tera tum geeta dhumni ko takadhina trikita to naach rahe gori tai 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 tum tera tum geeta dhumni ko takadhina trikita to naach rahe gori tai 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 tum tera tum geeta dhumni ko takadhina దని తతాని తాని తది తది తిరన తది తది తిరన దది తతాని తాని తది తది తిరన తది తది తిరన దది తతాని తాని తది తది తిరన తాది తోం తద గద దడి తతాన దర తానది అలరి గలరి తద తాది తోం తద గద దడి తతాన దర తానది అలరి గలరి తద తాది తోం తద గద దడి తతాన దర తానది అలరి గలరి తద గద తార తద గమం తాని తద గదం తార దిం 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 తగదన అలరి తోం 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 తగదన తని అలరి గీత ధునికు తగధీ నాద్రకే తతో నాచ రహే గోరి తాది దై దై తదం తిరగతం గీత ధునికు తగధీ నాద్రకే తతో నాచ రహే గోరి తాది దై దై తదం తిరగతం నాది దై దై తదం తిరగతం నాది దై దై తదం తిరగతం గీత ధునికు తగధీ నీకు తగధీ నీకు తగధీ
As Aikartya draws to a close, we extend our deepest gratitude to everyone who made this event a resounding success. To our incredible performers, thank you for pouring your heart into the event and inspiring us with your dedication and talent. Your performance were a true celebration of art. From the US batch, we had Aditi Gumudavelli, Diya Dhanashekar, Nidhi Sudabattula, Sanjoli Ghosh, Shreya Jetwani, Tanvi Madamsetti, Tanvi Grande, Tejasvi Grande, and Vaishnavi Muku. From the Bangalore batch, Ashwini A, Deepthi Krishna Bhatt, Lochna, Saumya Bhatt, and Vibha Hegde. To all our parents, we are profoundly grateful for your unwavering support and efforts, which have been the backbone not just for this event but throughout our dance class journey. Thank you so much. Let Aikartya serve as a reminder of art's extraordinary ability to unite, inspire, and elevate. Thank you all the Rasikas who have joined us today and for your encouragement and being part of this memorable event. Wishing you all a wonderful year ahead. Namaste.